Hello, third week of trying week notes. This week's all been about Pong. I've coded Pong many different ways and tried to work out how the different elements work, and I've used this, you can see this simulation Pong going using boring standard physics, but then reading a bit more about it, Pong physics, the paddle works in different ways. So actually, depending on where you hit on the paddle, it just affects the angle. So if you hit near the top, it comes off at a higher angle. If you hit right in the middle, it comes back straight. So, and this means that it will never get into a situation where you can't get out of it. So in boring normal physics, it could just bounce backwards and forwards between the two paddles forever unless one goes off the screen. But in Pong physics it will, if you just move the paddle slightly, it will ping off in a different angle, which seems good. I mean, then I obviously went overboard and made a simulator to test hundreds of balls shooting in and out in boring standard physics, and then in Pong physics. So I had some fun. The other thing I wanted to do was, well, I don't really need this, but I thought I'd put it anyway, to write a simple program to control the paddles if you're playing against a computer. But then I wanted to work out if I'd actually made it fair, so I got the computer playing against itself to see if both sides were equal, to see if I've got the timing and speed right. There are lots of ways to do that, but I thought, why not fire up a whole bunch of Pong games and watch them play. It's amazing, you sort of start watching them and you kind of want the underdog to win. And I'm looking at the numbers at the top. That's the total scores for player 1 on the left and the total scores for player 2 on the right. And kind of want them to be about equal. That would mean it's a sort of fair and I've got my sums right. Anyway, they're kind of fun, a lot of unnecessary stuff, but yes, got into that, so happy with that, the way it's going. And then, yes, moving on to the actual game, so squat Pong. So the idea of this is you'll be doing squats, and that will be controlling the paddle. I'm playing against Dot here. You can see it's sometimes not picking up the marker, which I need to work on. It might be using a light is better for this, but it was good. I mean, it did make you squat, make your legs burn, and I almost won. I blame the marker. Anyway, that's all this week. Bit of laser cutting and the obligatory dressing up for CGP Easter. Bye.